So we're gonna start focusing our energy on getting this car started. Need to see if it runs. So far, I've just taken off the vanity cover and popped these coil packs up. First, I'm gonna do an oil change on it. So let's get into that. I'm getting the car up in the air right now. Let's do an oil change, and then after we do the oil change, spark plugs. After spark plugs, we'll crank it, see if it runs. There's our crusty drain plug. Wow, it is very crusty. Now that y'all have a better view, get this drain plug out, drain out this oil. Ooh, that is black and thick. That is very thick oil. I know these cars use something crazy like 10W60. Seems to have plenty of oil. It's just super, super dark. No chunks. That's good. That's a good sign, right? No chunks so far. It would suck if this motor is seized up. I spun it over by hand and it's not seized up, so that's a good sign at least. But man, that is a lot of oil. I mean, not a lot, it's just really thick. It's just flowing. That's really, really thick oil. That's a lot of oil. That's too much oil. That is a lot of oil. Why does this car have that much oil in it? That's concerning. Why does it have this much oil in it? I believe the capacity is only like 6 quarts. This thing is filled to the absolute brim with oil. My God. How many quarts of oil does it? I'm shocked. It's just not stopping. Wow. I'm draining the engine, right? Yeah, this is the engine. I'm literally in disbelief. I've never seen a car this overfilled. That's not a good sign at all. Just bro, Andrew. 10 gallons of oil came out of this thing. What? Like 10 gallons of oil came out of this thing. Not like, no joke, like there was like, I want to say like a good 12, 13 quarts or something in there.
Yeah, I told you when I pulled it this thing, it looked like it
There was so much oil in there. Like so much. Well, that's concerning. Why this car has that much oil in it. It's really thick. I don't feel any. Let's pull it down. Let's check it out. I'm gonna let more of that drain out. That's super weird for a car to have that much oil in it. I told you I didn't like it when I saw those bearings for the motor just like sitting around. Made me a little worried someone's messed with it, which I guess they had. I'm gonna go grab oil and I'm gonna go grab a new drain plug actually. I got a new one. I'm gonna put that new drain plug in. I'm honestly super skeptical about this engine right now after seeing that much oil in the car. I don't know why you would put that much oil in it, but someone did. I guess we're about to find out why when we actually run the car. I'm gonna double check the I'm probably gonna double check the capacity. I believe it's just under 6 quarts. And we got a lot more than 6 quarts out. A lot. I don't know exactly how much, but we got a lot out. I don't have the BMW finesse, I guess, to get the oil filter out. Am I missing something, guys? Why is this oil filter coming out? Put that in the trash. Wow. Let's this oil was, but this stuff was thick, like really thick oil. Yeah, I'm gonna clean all this out. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. The spark plug wells are pretty clean. They're not, you guys can't see that. The spark plug wells are pretty clean. That's a good sign, at least. They're clean, but yeah, I'm gonna finish tightening down these spark plugs and we'll give it a crank and see what happens. Alright boys, has oil in it. I'm gonna go to the back, connect the battery up, and we're gonna see if she starts. If she don't start, it's gonna be really sad. If y'all wanna donate to my GoFundMe, I'd appreciate it if it doesn't start. If it does start, then we got ourselves a project on our hands. So put y'all back down, get y'all a better view. All right, let's see if this engine runs. Let's connect power.
Yeah.
All right. So we have power, guys. We're gonna give it a quick crank, see what happens. All right, Andrew, hit it. Oh. Pedal rigged up. All right, well, I guess let me just double check. There's a little bit of oil. Hold on, let me clean that up. I don't want it smoking right off the bat, but oh, let's put these back on just in case. Click, click. All right, boys. All right, we're gonna start it. Here we go. Okay, nothing there. Yeah. We need more power. It's not cranking fast enough. I'm gonna grab the jumper. All right. Connect the jumper. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start it. All right, Andrew, go for it.
Working on the BMW right now. Working on the BMW. Yeah, we're starting it.
Oh, wait. I know why. Oh, okay, maybe it's not. Okay.
Yeah, you told me the other day.
Try again.
Okay, so I'm gonna call it.
All right, let's cross our fingers, guys. I hope this thing starts. Let it run. No, let it run. Yeah. We're gonna let it run. It's probably the accessories just making a lot of noise, but wow, it actually runs. That's insane. Something is obviously very unhappy. It's the jumper pack. All right, go.
Oh, the screeching noise.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Go start it. It's an accessory, I think. Sounds like it's loosening up, whatever the accessory is. But hey, we have a running motor. Very smoky. I'm gonna step back a little bit. She runs, guys. She runs good. Not a single misfire. Pretty happy about that. Just a little. We're gonna give it a little bit of gas. Okay, okay. Try put it in gear. Try it. So we know she runs. We should go into gear though. Handbrake up. Wait, don't lean on the steering wheel. It's attached to sheet metal. Okay. That's a lot of smoke, so we turned it off. Most likely just from sitting for so long, I hope. And not, I don't smell anything weird. It's just crap from smoke.
Everywhere, or is it like the belt?
That's a lot of smoke. It's
Where's
coming
the
from
light?
this corner, right?
Where's the light?
We literally smoked out the whole garage. Looks like we have like a smoke machine in here. Well, it runs. So that'll be the end of this video. We have a running M3, guys. I'm ecstatic, but at the same time,
Why is there so much oil right here?
this engine needs a lot of work. So as you see, the car runs. It runs pretty good now. The only thing that we can't figure out is why it won't move. It's an SMG transmission, and if you look right there, you see like neutral is always flashing, and then we put it in first, it's still flashing. So I don't know if this indicates a transmission problem or we need to put the interior back and stuff just isn't plugged in. So we'll pick this up next time when I have more time to mess with it. But as far as it goes, the car's running, just not driving yet. So we'll get y'all in the next one.